Are you looking to optimize your SuiteDash workflow for maximum efficiency? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to maximize SuiteDash's potential while also exploring a few critical points that may surprise you, so stay tuned. Let's dive in. SuiteDash is a powerful platform with tons of features designed to streamline your business processes. But like any software, it's only as effective as how you use it. The first thing you'll want to focus on is customizing your dashboard. SuiteDash has a sleek interface, but it can get cluttered if you're not careful. By prioritizing what's most important for your business, whether that's projects, invoices, or client communications, you can cut down on wasted time and keep your most essential tools front and center. Next thing to consider is automating your workflows. This is where SuiteDash really shines. The ability to automate tasks like client onboarding, invoice generation, and email marketing can save you hours each week. But here's the catch: if you don't set up your automations properly, you could end up duplicating efforts or missing critical actions. Make sure you test your automation flows regularly and adjust them as your business evolves. The third thing you want to look into is the client portal. It's one of SuiteDash's standout features, but many users overlook how they can customize it for their clients. Personalize the portal to match your branding and make it easy for clients to access the information they need. This will not only improve client satisfaction, but also reduce the number of follow-ups you need to handle manually. Now let's talk about reporting. SuiteDash offers some powerful analytics, but again, it's easy to miss the mark if you're not customizing your reports. Take the time to set up your reports to track exactly what you need, whether that's project progress, revenue, or customer engagement. This is key to optimizing your SuiteDash workflow because knowing your numbers helps you make better decisions moving forward. The fifth thing you'll want to focus on is the integration SuiteDash offers. While it integrates well with a lot of third-party tools, keep in mind that not all integrations are created equal. Some may require more configuration than others, and some might not work as seamlessly as you'd like. Take the time to test integrations with tools you use regularly, and make sure they play nice with SuiteDash. But here's where I'll be honest with you: SuiteDash is powerful, but it may not be the best choice for every business. For maximum efficiency, there are other tools out there that might fit your needs better, especially if you're looking for more advanced features or a user-friendly experience. So, here's the deal: while SuiteDash offers a lot of great options, there are some amazing alternatives that are better suited for maximizing workflow efficiency in specific areas. If you're curious about what these alternatives are, stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive offers for you. Before we wrap up, if you're still interested in SuiteDash, I've got great news. Through our link, you can access an extended free trial that includes exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. But make sure you stick around, because I'm also going to introduce some alternatives that come with their own free trials and might just give you a better experience overall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for all the details.